this is Kings Ridge, a 55 plus community in Clermont, Florida. And this is Jarrett West with Exit Realty, 407-227-4800, 407-227-4800. I'm going to go ahead and give you a tour of this property. This, of course, is a 24/7 gated community, and it is a golf course community as well. It has several different villages and over 2,000 homes. Okay, so I am inside of Kings Ridge, and I have gone through the gate, which is a guard gate, and I'm at the HOA, facility. Okay, so this is the HOA clubhouse, I guess, where all the activities are run out of. So I'm just going to let you see this facility real quick, and then I'm going to go over, and they're probably going to go inside and talk to some lifestyle coordinator in here and see what kind of information I can get you on the activities. But just to ride around real quick, here is the tennis courts. So we've got shuffleboard, basketball. We've got tennis courts. And as you can see, it's well maintained. Very impressive. And let's see, on the other side here must be one of the pools. I know there's more than one pool in here. Oh, this is the golf. This is the golf clubhouse right here. Right. So this is the pro shop, I guess, and where you get the carts and where you. What am I trying to say? Pay for the golf course. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, and I'll talk to you in a minute. As you can see, everything is very well manicured and very well maintained.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
So
You're welcome.
I just spoke with one of the lifestyle coordinators, and she said that there are 50 to 60 clubs in here. They have 2,088 houses. There's seminars they hold weekly. There's movie night every Thursday. There's bingo every Wednesday. 5 major dances, like for holidays, like kind of balls. And then there's like 3 or 4 minor dances that they have. Looks like this is the ballroom. Stage, huge. Oh, really super nice. Big dance floor. Let's see what else. They've got 2 gyms and 3 pools. So, well, this is a probably about as active as you're gonna get. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to the houses now, and I'll talk to you soon.